Hey guys, this is Cesar Gutierrez with KW Laredo. Today is day 68 of the 75-day challenge, and today we're going to go over an email campaign that you can use. This was a special request by one of our agents. So this particular email campaign is for buying versus renting. So a lot of people always, have that question of what's the difference between buying and selling. In this particular campaign, or it's in an email format. All right, so you're gonna want to go here to designs. Here in designs, you have social, print, video, and we're gonna want an email. So I'm going to click the plus sign, click on email, next. The cool thing here is that you already have some KWRI templates. So in this case, we're just gonna scroll down and you can kind of go through these. Okay, keep going. Here it is. Classic buy versus rent. All right. So here, if there's anything that you want to change, you can go ahead and change it. What's awesome about this is that it already gives them, it's already pre-filled with information and differences about buying versus renting. Okay, if there's anything here that you want to change, again, you can go ahead and do it. And if you want to see what it looks like, you can click on the eye. You can poke the eye. So you see everything comes out here. And all you want to do is save and exit. And it's right here. Something that's really, really cool is that you can start getting creative with your emails and actually create smart plans using these emails. All right, so let me show you how that works real quick. Smart plans. Let's say I want to create my own smart plan. I'll put sample for renters. Apply. So if you want to create a smart plan that's specifically for people that are currently renting, and you don't want to just send a very bland email, you want to send something with a little bit more content and a little bit more structure, this is a way to do it. Okay, because typically on these smart plans, whenever it sends out an email, it's very generic. It's very, your typical email that has just text, and there's no, I guess, real structure. All right, so just need to let this load. All right, let me refresh it. All right, here we go. So what we want to do is send an email. And here's where it gets pretty cool. So you have an email type. So email type would be this, where you type it out, you put your fields, or agent first name, agent last name, or what have you. But now you can actually use designs. So on designs, you can select a design and go into classic buy versus rent. And cool thing here is that if you are using it in the smart plans for your team, it's going to come out agent first name, agent last name, the picture of that specific agent. So you don't have to be doing all these changes. Okay, so if I poke the eye, it's going to come out with my information because I'm viewing it from mine. Okay. So you see, so since I do have my my agents here, whenever it sends through their account, it's going to pull up their information. All right, so then save and exit. And here again, if you have your default settings on Rainmaker and you want to change it to contact assignee, make sure you just uncheck this and change it to the contact assignee. So here you can put buying versus renting. Okay. So from here you can start building building some other tasks that you want. Maybe you want to give them a phone call after you send them this, or you can send them a text message. Put a delay, move it up. So you can have maybe like a week delay. And then now, again, here, I want to change it to come from the contact assignee. And you can put, did you get my email from giving you an explanation of the difference between buying and selling? And then you can just build on this and make it your own, okay? And the trigger, you can add a trigger. The trigger you can have whenever you upload a contact, make sure you add a tag that says renter. So whenever you save the contact, it automatically gets uploaded to this SmartPlan. All right, so again, guys, once you start getting the feel for using command a bit more, you can do a lot of things that can help you grow your business. Okay, so again, this was a way of getting a buy versus renting. It was a request by one of the agents that they wanted to send out some comparisons from buying and renting. So thank you all for watching. We will see you tomorrow.